Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, July 6th. It's 4:07 p.m. You can see on my computer clock today's date and the time, and the futures markets closed about 7 minutes ago. I bring over the time and sales. This time it's the bonds on the time and sales, the 30-year Treasury bond, and you can see the last trade was 176 and 6 ticks, and you can see that on the chart here. This is not a market replay. This is in real time at 4:06 and 44 seconds p.m. It's actually 4:08. There hasn't been a trade in a minute and a half on the bonds. In any case, we got another video update for you. Great day for the auto trader. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, great day for the auto trader. First up, we have the 30-year Treasury bond, and we had a fantastic short here at one point up about 1,600 and took some heat on this long, almost gave back half of it, but the market reversed. We didn't get a close below the volatility stop, which would have caused a reversal and a whipsaw, but instead the close was up here, and then we got stopped out at the close of the bond session. Had we hung in there longer, this trade would have potentially broke even at least. Anyway, $1,200 P&L on the bonds on 2 contracts. Very respectable. Okay, pretty fantastic performance trading the line break chart on the DAX. We had a couple of trades here. These are pretty decent sized moves actually. And just a few trades here resulted in hitting our goal of 2,000 in the DAX. I'm pretty sure this is 2,000. Yeah, we hit our goal of 2,000. We have a loss limit of 1,500. So the DAX being a very volatile market, this particular line break chart has performed quite well. We've seen it a lot in our videos recently. There was a couple of more trades here in the second half of the session, and this is what ultimately put us over the top. Okay, next up is the DAX on the Super 14 tick. This too hit its daily goal of 2,000 and had 0 slippage on the end. So very solid performance on the DAX on the Super 14 tick chart. Okay, next up is the Super 10 tick on the crude oil, and this did 14.90 for the day. So this did in fact hit its profit goal of 1,500, and obviously we had 1 tick of slippage. Okay, next up is the bonds on the Precision Renko 5 tick with the 300% reversal. This did 900 for the day, and our profit goal on this is 1,500. We have another version of this chart which is a swing, and that is up today, but not that much. It's actually in a trade at the moment. We'll get to that chart in a moment. So pretty solid performance here on the crude. Okay, next up is the EMini S&P on the Super 8 tick, and this did 575 for the day, a mixed bag of winning and losing trades. The Dow on the Super 6 tick, this is trading 3 contracts, and we're scaling out at 20 and 40 ticks. This did 535 for the day on 3 contracts. Here's our swing version of the crude on the Precision Renko 5 tick with a 300 reversal. This is currently long and up about $300, so small gain on the day, but this has no entry or exit time. It's meant to trade overnight. So we'll see how this plays out. Okay, last but not least is the NASDAQ on the Superenco 10 tick. This is using our line break algorithm. And this has a daily goal, does not have a daily goal, but it did 1285 for the day on 2 contracts. And that's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website at bluewavetrading.com or feel free to send us an email at systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching.